Shalom, friends, brothers, and sisters. I would like to wish each and every one of you during this season of Pesach a time of redemption, a time of salvation, a time of new growth and new birth, a time of new beginning. My name is Rabbi Yitzchak Shapira, and I'm the founder of Ahavat Amen Ministries. As you probably know by now, we have made one of the greatest publications that we have ever put together as an organization into your hands in different languages, in 5 different languages during the Pesach. Right before, as the pandemic started, the Lord spoke to us as an organization, and He told us to make it available freely to the entire world. Last year we released it, and it's reached thousands upon thousands. Tens of thousands of people have been able to celebrate the Pesach. This year we have decided to expand this project to the next level. So those who are watching us in the Portuguese language or in the French language, before Passover, you also will be able to download freely the publication from Nisan to Nisan. My desire and my heart is to see those in Brazil and Portugal, those in France joining the rest of the world, the German and the Dutch and the Italian and the Spanish world. Together, we all are preparing for a great banquet. So what is the theme of this year? The theme of this year is a preparation for the banquet, a preparation for the meal ahead. The Lord spoke to us as an organization, and He told us to help the world, help the body of Messiah to prepare for this meal. So I encourage you today to please share pesach.shuvu.tv with the world. That's our gift to you. You see, during this time of Pesach, the story of 4 children, they're coming to the Seder table. They're coming to this great banquet with the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. But in reality, there is a 5th child. He called in Judaism the prodigal son. This represents the scattered among the house of Israel and the nations who are grafting in and joining in. It represents you today. We have been waiting for you for 2,000 years to return for the Pesach table. And this is why we made this publication as an organization free of charge. I hope that wherever you are, whoever you are, this year we'll celebrate Pesach for the first time with our Brazilian brothers and sisters. First Seder ever in Africa this year, India. Whoever you are, there is a seat that's ready for you on the Pesach banquet table. And I hope that you will join us. On the first night of Pesach, the 27th, we want you to celebrate together with your family. Go ahead, download the publication, and feel free to tell your friends about it, to go and download it. We want to bless you. This is our lifelong scholarship that took us many years to develop, and we give it to you freely, in joy and love, so that you will be on this Chag, on this table, on the Pesach. So Saturday night, we want you to celebrate together with your family. On Sunday night, we're going to have a very special evening where I am going to be doing a Seder with you. I'm inviting you to join me. I will teach you some things. I will clarify some things inside the Haggadah, and together we will find the Messiah on Sunday night, 7 p.m. I'm looking forward to seeing you on that. Lastly, if you're blessed by this publication, please share it with others, and please consider supporting us in Operation Geula. The reason it's called Operation Geula is because we're speaking and taking the actions to prepare for the redemption, to prepare for the banquet, to prepare for this important meal that the mighty one of Israel has for you in these last days. So on behalf of Ahavat Amim Ministries, on behalf of the Shapiro family, myself, the Rebbetzin, our staff, we want to tell you that this banquet will not be complete without you. We invite you now to get ready. Prepare the house. The King of Kings is almost here, and our redemption is almost complete. God bless you, and Chag Sameach to all of you. Chag Pesach Sameach.